Squats are one of the best exercises for building strength, endurance, and mobility. You've probably seen countless transformation photos online. People who committed to daily squats and saw incredible changes in just a few weeks. But what really happens to your body when you make squats a daily habit? Let's break it down. Full body muscle engagement. When you think of squats, you might immediately picture toned legs and a sculpted backside. But did you know that squats engage nearly half of your body's muscles? They work your glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, core, and even lower back muscles. By incorporating different squat variations like jump squats or weighted squats, you can activate even more muscle groups for a full body workout. Increased muscle definition and strength. If you stay consistent, you'll start to notice visible changes in your legs and glutes. Squats trigger muscle growth by engaging large muscle groups, leading to more defined and powerful lower body muscles. Unlike cardio exercises like running or cycling, which primarily burn calories, squats build muscle and shape your body. Faster fat loss and boosted metabolism. Squats aren't just about building muscle, they also help burn fat. Because squats engage multiple muscles at once, they require a significant amount of energy. This leads to a higher calorie burn and a metabolism boost, helping you lose fat while toning your body. Improved blood circulation and heart health. Squats increase blood flow throughout your body, which improves circulation and benefits your heart. By engaging your legs, the largest muscle group, squats enhance cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of blood clots, and help prevent issues like varicose veins. Stronger core and better posture. Squats do more than just strengthen your legs, they also target your core. A strong core improves balance, posture, and stability. However, proper squat form is crucial. Keep your back straight, engage your core, and squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. This will prevent injuries and maximize results. Increased endurance and lung capacity. Squats aren't just a strength exercise, they also improve endurance. By regularly performing squats, you train your body to use oxygen more efficiently, strengthening your respiratory system. This means better stamina, making everyday activities feel easier and workouts more effective. Enhanced joint mobility and flexibility. If you sit for long hours, your hips, knees, and ankles can become stiff and weak. Squats help improve mobility by increasing flexibility in these joints. Over time, this can reduce pain and prevent injuries, making movement easier and more fluid. Reduced risk of injury. Strong legs and a stable core mean better balance and coordination, which lowers your risk of falls and injuries. Squats also reinforce the stabilizing muscles around your knees and ankles, helping to prevent joint-related issues. Adaptability to different fitness levels. One of the best things about squats is their versatility. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, you can modify squats to fit your fitness level. From classic bodyweight squats to weighted barbell squats and plyometric squat jumps, there's a variation for everyone. So, are you ready to take on a squat challenge? Start today and see how your body transforms. Let me know in the comments, how often do you squat, or are you planning to start? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness insights. See you in the next one.